These guys are out here every day breaking their back, putting roofs on our homes. They're definitely under the category of underappreciated people. I'm Zev. Nice to meet you. Hop on, let me take care of you. Oh, yeah. Let me take care of you. Let me take care of you. Bingo. Oh, excellent. These guys are bent over, putting stress and tension on their back all day, every day, sometimes beyond even 5 days a week. So for me to come out here and just get some much needed relief for these guys is just everything. All right, guys, right now we're pulling up on some roofers, all right? We have intel that says these guys have been breaking their back for months, putting on roofs. When you see white vans, you know these guys are working. Yo, if you're napping in the car, you're working your ass off, all right? That's all I gotta say. And you know what? That means you need a chiropractic adjustment. Ready to rock and roll. Hey, guys. Hello, hello. How's it going? Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, ¿y usted?
Mucho trabajo?
Sí.
See? Shit, you guys look like you've been working your ass off. I'm here to help you guys. You'll see in a second. Let me take care of you. Both hands aquí. Oh. Cabeza en la centro. Go. Go. Right here. Mucho compresión. Mira a izquierda. Perfecto. Go. They're gonna work better when I'm done. Relájate, relájate. Oh my God. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm feeling is his back is more locked up than R. Kelly out here. Bueno. But he's gonna be very happy when I'm done. Oh yeah. Bueno. Relájate, relájate. Oh yeah. Good. Relájate, relájate, relájate. Bingo. Hola.
Shit, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that. Like,
we came here to take care of you. I'm Zev. Nice to meet you. Oh. Oh, yes. I can't think of someone's back who needs it more than a roofer's back, to be honest, if you think about it. The thing about working 5 days a week, 8+ hours a day on top of a roof is some of us are sitting, some of us are standing, but they're bent over for those 8 to 10 hours a day. Relájate. Oh my God. Wow. Man, you know, I do money shots all day long on people's spines, but I don't think I've ever felt the release that I feel on every single one of these on a roofer spine. It's next level money shot, guys. The camera won't even pick up the distraction and the separation that I'm feeling when I hit him with this. Yeah. Cancel that. Yes, yes, yes. Come, come. Perfecto. Now we're talking. Okay, excelente. Let me take care of you. Now I need the star on my show. Hi, I'm Zev, by the way.
Hello, Misa.
Misa? Nice to Isa. Nice to meet you, and thank you so much for helping. Will you kind of give him the gist of what I was just telling you? Un momento. Justo. Okay. Just tell him, if you didn't already, that I got a call from someone who lives in this neighborhood.
Yeah, I told him.
Oh, and they're working mucho trabajo. Let me take care of you guys. Let me take care of you guys. He just got a justo, right? See? He's good. No, see. Come on. Who's next? Let me take care of you. Let me take care of you. So I'm going to start here, and then I'm going to work my way down his spine. Bueno. Bueno. Relájate. Bueno. Oh. Your spine, España, is mucho compress.
Yeah?
Yeah, sí. Whoa. Go. Listo.
Thank you.
Listo. You're welcome. De nada.
Oh my.
Right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. See? Next. Next. See? Good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. These guys are out here every day breaking their back, putting roofs on our homes. They're definitely under the category of underappreciated people. And they probably don't have access to people like me that they can see after hours to come in and get that stress and tension taken off their back so they can come out here to these neighborhoods and our homes and our communities and put these new roofs on in climates that are definitely not favorable. So to be able to come out here and bless all of them, especially since it's so random, it still just fills my love tank. Bueno. This hand aquí. Oh my God. Talk about tension coming off the back, bro. Relájate. Bingo. Relájate, relájate. Oh my God. Diablo. Oh, jeez. Yo, that back is brand new for a year. A year. I just took 10 years off his back for sure. What comes with being a roofer?
8 hours.
8 hours every day.
Every day.
Every day. What does your body feel like
Finish day,
after working 5 days a week on roofs all day long?
When finish day,
Yeah.
strong back head.
Yeah, the back hurts?
Back hurt.
Yeah. The neck,
The neck,
the shoulders all day.
the legs.
Yeah.
Leg hurt.
Everything hurts. Yeah. Good. Bueno. Oh, yeah. Excelente. Relájate. Oh, wow. Man. Woo. Right? Yeah. See? God bless, man. Thanks for letting me take care of you. So we just pulled up on some roofers. You know, the types of people I like to take care of in the street are always the unnoticed, the unfortunate, and the underappreciated. Roofers definitely fall into the underappreciated. These guys are bent over, putting stress and tension on their back all day, every day, sometimes beyond even 5 days a week. So for me to come out here and just get some much needed relief for these guys is just everything. I don't know if it's gonna come through on this camera when you guys are watching, but yo, those adjustments hit different. As a chiropractor, you can feel when someone works their ass off. You know it the minute your hands touch the spine. When I was adjusting those backs, it's undeniable the type of load they put on their back. We all know it, we see it, we pass them in our car, we know they're busting ass, but I felt it, and even today, the chiropractor, I'm fucking shocked right now.